Yeah. So all of us wrote our blessings. Yes? No? Many of you? Yeah, yes, good. Oh, acha, that is a game. Okay. So I'll also switch off my camera. Good. Yes. Yes. Everyone did the blessings. Wonderful. And how was the practice? Did you write about the 3 people in your life?
Yes.
And how did you feel?
I felt a connection with them while showing gratitude towards them.
Okay. And when you were looking at the photographs and saying thank you, your sister, or thank you, mom, or thank you, your brother, how did you feel? Did you feel, yes, I'm so blessed to have them in my life?
Yes.
Yes. So I'm assuming all of us did the practice.
Yes. Whenever my parents or my family members are not free, I always play with my brother and sister.
Okay. Okay. Very sweet. Yes. So others, how about the others? Bhargavi, you did the practice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And Tanvi, thank you, Viraj, for switching on the camera. I'm feeling very nice. Okay, it's gone again. Yeah.
I'm just changing my location because my phone was on charger.
Okay. And wow, Ivan, I love your background. It's like you're sitting under the sky, huh? Yes, very nice. Yeah. And others, did you do the practice? How did you feel? I want to understand, like, how did you feel? Yes. Hi, Khushi.
Hello.
Yeah. So how was the practice?
It was good.
Hmm.
I felt better
Okay.
after doing it.
Okay. And you wrote about your friend also, apart from this practice?
I was kind of thinking of something. I did come up with a few things, and I was trying to think about the good things that she possesses. I was just going through it. And the most important thing what I thought was that even if she's not friends with me again, doesn't matter, I'm happy. I just have to be with the people I'm happy with.
Okay, yeah, that is also one outlook. But if you really want to feel nice, you have to write about her. Okay, so the
Okay.
moment you start writing good things about her, the good times you spent with her, the way you connected with her earlier, you have let her go. That's wonderful. But then also you'll feel nicer. You will be having happy memories. Okay, so I want to know about today's practice. When you wrote about the 3 people in your life, how did you feel, or what did you write actually? Someone wants to share?
I wrote about my mom, my dad, and my sister, and I thanked them for the things they provided me, which earlier I didn't. I thought like this much everyone gets, each and every parents do this much for their children, so why not? But then I thank them for that. Like when I used to go to school, I had a driver who could drive me to school. But then I never felt that way. But today in the morning, I thought that there were so many students, they didn't have a car, they didn't have a driver, they used to come in taxi. Someone used to come in the metro because they used to live very far. So I thanked for that. Now that thankfully I could go comfortably in a car with a driver with the AC on.
Yeah, yes, very good. Yeah, that's how you have to see, like, these are the blessings in our life. Yeah. And whatever it is, like, whatever we have been given right from childhood, we always thought ये तो हमारा right है. इतना तो like you
Right.
rightly said कि parents को तो ये करना ही होता है. कुछ नहीं जरूरी होता है ऐसे. ठीक है कि करना ही होता है. We are super blessed that we have been sent to such a family that parents are taking care of us. There's so many people who don't have parents, who are on the street. What was their fault? Why was it that we are so blessed and we are having such a wonderful family? So that is why we have to appreciate whatever we have been given. Yes, so very good. So this is how we will understand what we are blessed with. Very good, Kushi. Keep doing the
Thank you.
practices regularly. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Someone else wants to share? Hmm?
When I wrote about the three people, I wrote about my mom, my dad, and my best friend.
Hmm.
So I thanked my mom, like I thanked my mom and dad about everything that they did for me. And whenever I threw tantrums, they were like, they don't ever scold me for marks, or they don't scold me very often. If sometimes I make a mistake, they do very less times. And about that, I was very thankful about that. And also because my best friend, she has always been there for me.
Hmm.
She is my childhood friend. We became friends when we were in KG1.
Okay.
And we both share a great bond, and I was thankful for all of the things that they all have provided.
Okay, wonderful. Yeah, very nice. So I'm assuming all of us did the practice like this and you felt more nice and cozy. And you know what, why this practice has to be done? Because right now we have just started learning how to be grateful. Yeah. सब लोग thank you बोलते ही थे, but इतना feeling
I
से
think after family, our closest relationship is friendship.
yes, definitely. So why we are taking three people which are close to us now? Because at this level, when we have just started this session, okay, which is only of 28 days, and on day 3 we are doing this practice. So we have started on something which is very important to us, something which is very close to someone who is close to us. So now when we are doing this gratitude on them, this will make the bond even stronger. Okay, so it's like when you started learning, like we discussed yesterday, that if we start learning how to write, we just have to stick to A, B, C, because that is easy to write. And when it becomes, then when we become very good at it, then we are taught cat, bat, dog, right? ऐसे ही होता था ना? When we started learning cycling, where did we start learning? In our campus, in our house, on the terrace, not straight away on the roads, right? So when we are doing the practice where we are doing it on the people close to us, it means we are learning.
We gradually develop in it.
Yes, we gradually develop this practice, and then thank you, Viraj, and then we will be practicing it on people whom we want to become closer, where there are some issues and we want to resolve them. Okay, so when the relationships which need little mending, which needs little more connection, then we will move on to those people. First we are understanding and grasping the way to do the gratitude in the correct manner. Okay, so anyone else wants to share, or should we start the reading? Okay, so
I don't want to share anything in particular, but just mention the things, the people I thanked. So I thanked you first, and then I didn't have a proper picture, but then I just tried looking up for one, and you and my mom and my father for now. But I was just wanting to thank so many more people, but I wrote them all in the blessing then.
Okay. So see, Tanvi, I'm very happy and honored that you wrote my name. But this practice was about where you have a connection with people. Okay, so next time when you are doing this practice, it has to be like someone who you are close to, yeah, and there you can make the bond even stronger. Okay, I'm very happy and I'm feeling really nice now because I don't have kids, and if you guys do like this, I feel very happy. Yeah, so I'm very honored. But next time when you do it, you can write about someone, maybe your sister or your best friend, where you want the relationship even getting better. Okay, so thank you, Tanvi. Yes. So who wants to read today? No one? Yeah, I can't read. Huh?
Shall I read?
Yes. Okay, Asta.
Yeah.
Yes. So you have to take your name and tell us where you are from.
Yes, I am Astha and I am from Kolhapur. I am Mahima's friend.
Okay. Very nice. So let's start. Today's day 4 of the Magic Book by Rhonda Byrne.
Magical.
Yeah.
Day 4, Magical Health.
Yeah. So here we'll see in this picture. How many of us have heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away? Everyone? Yeah. And here what do we see? There's an apple, right? There's a glass of water. And this is maybe a doctor's bag. This is a stethoscope. And can you see this X-ray image also right in the end? It's like a skeleton, like not a skeleton. It's like an X-ray. And there again, there is something else kept. Could be, some surgical tools or something. I don't know what is this that is kept on the tray. So today when we are talking about our magical health, and then we see that there is, a lot of magic dust or this sparkle on the stethoscope, on the apple and water. So is it that the food that we are eating that will bring us good health, or what is it? Let's see. Yeah. Yes.
The greatest wealth is health. Virgil 70 BC to 19 BC. Roman poet.
Yeah.
Health is the most
Just 1 second. Huh?
health.
So, 1 second. So I'll explain after the quote, and then you will start the paragraph. Okay. So the greatest wealth is health. This also we must have health. Then आपने सुना होगा ना, जान है तो जहान है. ये भी सुना होगा movies में, ये लोग कई जन बोलते हैं ऐसे. तो ऐसे क्यों बोलते हैं? You remember the time when maybe your tummy was upset when you ate the extra cake or the ice cream, or maybe too many puchkas and golgappa or pani puri. ऐसा हुआ है ना, tummy was aching and you did not want to do anything. You just wanted to lie down. Your toy could not, console you, mama, papa, or friends, no one. That time you just wanted that tummy to go away. Or maybe you fell on the ground and you hurt your knee while you were playing and your knee is hurting bad. And that time also maybe you could not think of anything else, just wanted that knee to get better. Yeah. Or maybe you had a tummy ache for some other reason. And that time also you just wanted that to get better. चाहे जितना भी अच्छा टॉय हो, आईफोन हो, बेस्ट सीरीज आ रहा हो आपका, were you able to focus on that, or you were just thinking कि नहीं बस ये दर्द ठीक हो जाए, है ना? तो हेल्थ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए. और आप देखो, वी आर सो ब्लेस्ड, गॉड हैज गिवन अस एवरीथिंग, राइट फ्रॉम आवर हेड हेयर टू द लिटिल टो ऑन आवर फीट. एवरीथिंग इज परफेक्ट. उन्होंने हमको सब कुछ दिया है. ठीक है, किसी कोई बोलेगा नहीं थोड़ी मोटी है, थोड़ी पतली है, थोड़ी गोरी है, थोड़ी काली है, irrespective, वो पूरा फंक्शनल बॉडी हमको भगवान ने दी है ना? तो वी हैव टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट. एंड इन दिस मैजिक बुक व्हाट वी डिड yesterday, rather today, what we did was we focused on the good relationships that we had, right? वो हमारे पास पहले से थी, so we were focusing on that. And today we are focusing on the good health. Health मतलब हुआ कि हमारी जो बॉडी है जिसके कारण अपन कुछ भी और सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू बी थैंकफुल फॉर दैट, बिकॉज ये हमको गिफ्ट मिला हुआ है ना? हम लोग किसके लिए थैंकफुल होते हैं? थिंग्स विच आर गिवन टू अस. एंड हु गेव इट टू अस? गॉड हैज गिवन इट टू अस. तो हम लोग उन चीजों के लिए आज थैंकफुल हो रहे हैं विच वी ऑलरेडी हैव. या ओके, प्लीज कंटिन्यू आस्था.
I want to share something.
Yes, Viraj, can we take the sharing in the end, please? I have a little very
Sure.
something that I want to do today, like we all will
Sure.
do. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Health is the most precious thing in life, are yet more than anything else. We can take our health for granted. For many of us, the only time we think of our health is when we lose it. Then the realization hits us. Without our health, we have nothing.
It happens, when we have a running nose, many times we have it, yeah. And it is so troublesome nahi lagta hai? Except for, really tiny kids who are not bothered. They have a runny nose and they are running around. The snoot is going in their mouth. They are not bothered, है ना? Remember? उतने छोटे बच्चे जब होते हैं सिर्फ उनको ही फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. But even, when we have a runny nose or we have a headache, how do we feel? अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना एकदम, है? Or suppose if we have a toothache भी होता है, तो we don't like, and till that ache happens in our body, we are not bothered हमारे दांत कैसे हैं या ब्रश करना भी है कि नहीं करना. We don't think about that. We don't bother about our nose or the cold things that we are having. उस समय तक हम लोग अपने body parts के लिए एकदम भी चिंता नहीं करते. The moment there is a breakdown, कुछ दर्द होता है या चोट लगती है, that is the time we start thinking about that, है ना? यही होता है ना? Don't you agree? What do we do? You think about, अभी तो I don't think any of us think about our, कि shoulder कितना सही है, हाथ कितने सही है, fingers are also fine. हाँ, कोई नहीं सोचता है. जब उसमें कुछ चोट लगती है या दर्द होता है, that is the time when we start thinking कि नहीं ये तो कितनी important चीज है. Okay? Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the warm up.
Oh, thank you. Very nice. Yes. So let's start. Yeah.
Masi, I messaged you also, but I think you didn't see.
Yes, I didn't see. Sorry. Yeah. So let's start.
2 little ears and 1 little nose.
Yes, let's start. Switch on your camera. Yes. So 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, and 1 little nose. Yes, 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears, and 1 little nose. Okay, very good. Thank you. So next time when I say na, start reading, immediately we will all start. Who wants to take this responsibility?
Actually, today my mic is not working. You gave me this response.
Ma'am, you give it to Archit.
And today my mic is not working properly. I was trying to speak, but I don't know why you was not hearing me.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not do anything. I'm really sorry. Huh? So I'll say, Archit, you will remind us. Okay? Okay? So we have to do this. Yes. So thank you, Tanvi and Anna. I did not see the message. I told you, I'm like this. Not like this, but I skipped the chats. Yeah, I'm focusing more on you guys and on the reading. Yeah, sorry. Yes. So let's get back and thank you for the reminder. Yeah. Yes.
There is an Italian proverb that speaks the truth about health for many of us. He who enjoys good health is rich, though he knows it not. While we rarely think of our health when we are well, you will have felt the truth of those words even when you had something minor like a cold or the flu and you were bedridden. When you are not well, all you want is to feel better and nothing else matters other than.
Other than having your Anna, you are mute.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sorry. My dad was calling.
Okay.
Having your health back again.
Yes. So, like we discussed, until and unless we fall sick, we have a flu or a headache or a fever, till that time we don't realize the importance of our good health. And there is a proverb, like Rhonda Byrne has told us, that a person who has health has the most riches. Okay, and this we see whenever we get fever, kabhi kabhi hua hoga na, bukhar aaya hoga, kami hota hai, but it happens even if it is once a year. Then we realize that no, that there is no energy. The best things that I love to do, maybe playing cricket, dancing, or playing tennis, or just running around with your cousins, is not possible. Going to the loo is also a pain. ऐसा होता है ना. So that is the time we want our fitness, our health to be back again. And why does this happen? And do you think when we are doing this chapter, which is all this book, which is all about gratitude and thank you think being grateful and saying thank you will give us our health back? You think so? अभी लग रहा होगा कि नहीं, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? थैंक यू बोलने से बुखार चला जाएगा, थैंक यू बोलने से इचिंग चली जाएगी, एक्ने चला जाएगा, हाँ, टमी एक चला जाएगा, हाँ, कोई नी पेन है या चोट लग गई वो ठीक हो जाएगा, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? बट यही तो जादू है, यही तो मैजिक है, और हम लोग यही पढ़ेंगे कि आज ये कैसे करना है. ओके, यस, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Health is a gift of life. It is something you receive and continue to receive each day. In addition to everything else we do to be healthy, we have to be grateful for our health to continue to receive more health.
Yes, continue.
Remember, whoever has gratitude for health will be given more, and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for health, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her.
Yes. So every day, see, when we get up, we are fit and fine every day. Yeah, we get up fresh, energetic, ready to run around. There is no ache. Every day that happens, So every day we are getting this gift. There are some days when you get up and your tummy is hurting, or maybe your legs are aching from running around too much, or maybe too much dancing, or you have a backache. कभी कभी कुछ होता है अगर, तो इसलिए होता है कि उस दिन अपन ग्रेटफुल नहीं है. और वो क्या है, हम लोग को रॉन्डा बर्न ने शुरू में भी एक कोट बताया हुआ है, और हर बार हम लोग को ये मिलेगा, whoever has gratitude, मतलब whoever is thankful, whoever is grateful for health. Like if we are grateful for our good health, if we are grateful for our eyes, our ears, our skin, our teeth, our digestive system, for everything, then we will have an abundance. Abundance of what? Of good health. माने every day our health will be perfect. If we are not grateful, ठीक है, मतलब अगर grateful नहीं है तो अपन क्या कर रहे होते हैं? Complaint कर रहे होते हैं. If we are saying मेरे तो पेट में ना रोज ही दर्द रहता है, हम जब चलते हैं हम गिर पड़ते हैं, मेरे घुटने में चोट लग जाती है, मेरे पैर में चोट लग जाती है. वी आर कंप्लेनिंग. We are complaining, and if we are complaining, what will happen? We are going back how many steps?
10 steps.
Yeah, very good. So we are going back 10
Then
steps.
we have to say 10 good things about it.
Yes, then we have to say 10 good things about our health. Yeah, so we don't want that. कितना टाइम है बोलिए, एक गलती को नहीं बोले is easier कि एक चीज के बारे में 10 अच्छी चीजें बोले. Which is easier?
10
Right?
अच्छी चीज.
Exactly. कि इसमें नेगेटिव मार्किंग होती है. नेगेटिव मार्किंग everyone knows in school it happens ना, नेगेटिव मार्किंग, पेनल्टी, राइट? तो कंप्लेन
But
करना.
usually when I come back from school or tennis academies, I'm so tired that I tell mom, please just
press
hold
my
my
feet, massage my feet, what? Yeah, that is what
massage my feet.
yes, but
all,
we will learn.
almost every time.
Okay, but we will learn that if something like that happens, what we have to say. We will learn that also. Okay, so have some patience, Viraj. We'll get to that also. Yeah, yes, Astha, please continue.
Yes. You may know of people who chose a healthy lifestyle and yet still lost their health. Giving thanks in return for the health you are receiving is vital. When you are grateful for your health, you will not only maintain your current health, at the same time, you will set the magic into motion to increase the flow of health to you. You will also begin to see improvements to your health happen right away. Little aches and pains, moles, scars, or marks will start to magically disappear, and you will notice your energy, vitality, and happiness increase markedly.
Yeah, so what Rhonda Bunn is telling us, if we are grateful for our health, okay, so instead of complaining, कितने बार होता है ना, कुछ भी नहीं होता है हमारी हेल्थ में प्रॉब्लम, फिर भी अपन बोलते हैं, जैसे क्या बोलते हैं कि मेरे बाल ना बहुत ड्राई हैं, हाँ, मेरे बाल तो ठीक से सेट ही नहीं हो रहे हैं, गाइस कुड से दैट, हाँ, कि जेल लगा के भी लाइक कितने सॉफ्ट हैं, you can say like this, or you can say कि नहीं मेरी नोज तो थोड़ी सी और पॉइंटी होनी चाहिए. I don't know if guys do that. बॉयज लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं, हाँ, या बोलते हैं कि नहीं मैं थोड़ा सा और टॉल होता. आप लोग कैसे क्या बोलते हो अपने बारे में? अगर अच्छी बातें बोलते हो तो आपके लाइफ में एक्स, पेन्स, मोल्स, स्कार ये सब ऑटोमेटिकली जा रहे होंगे या आते ही नहीं होंगे. अगर अपन कंप्लेन करते हैं हमारी हेल्थ के बारे में, हाँ, ऐसे ही कि चोट लग गई एंड देन यू आर सेइंग मेरे तो पैर हैं ही ऐसे, जहां हम जाते हैं वहां हम फिसल जाते हैं. इफ एनीथिंग लाइक दिस वी आर सेइंग, इट मींस वी आर कंप्लेनिंग. एंड इफ वी स्टार्ट अप्रिशिएटिंग आवर हेल्थ, ठीक है, इट्स नॉट दैट कि हमको अपने मुंह या मिट्टू बनना है और अपनी बड़ाई करनी है. इट इज नॉट दैट. इट इज जस्ट दैट वी आर बीइंग ग्रेटफुल इन आवर माइंड, वी आर राइटिंग गुड थिंग्स अबाउट इट, देन आवर लाइफ विल बिकम मैजिकल and there will be new energy, vitality, and happiness will also increase. Okay, so we will learn more about this in this chapter itself. How do we do that? Yes, please continue, Astha.
Yes, as you will learn in a later practice, through the daily practice of gratitude for your health, you can improve your eyesight, hearing, and all of your senses, along with every function in your entire body. And all of it happens like magic. Gratitude is a vaccine, an antitoxin, and antiseptic.
John Henry
John
Jowett,
1864 to 1923, Presbyterian
preacher and writer.
and writer.
Yeah, so we will learn in the later practice that we can improve something which we are wanting to improve. Okay, but today we are going to practice how to be grateful for what we have. कितने बार होता है ना, it's like my eyes are weak, I wear lenses but I have specs. तो हम हमेशा ही बोलते, कोई भी बोलता है ना मेरी ना eyes weak है, तो ये क्या हुई, appreciation तो नहीं हुआ ना. Am I being grateful? No, I am complaining. So if I am complaining means what, मेरी eyes और weak ही होंगी. I have to correctly say, क्या बोलना होगा हमको कि मेरी आईज को थोड़ा सा, क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? टेल मी, इफ आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग, हाउ डू आई फ्रेम इट? दैट माय आईज हैव टू
improve my eyesight a little bit.
Yes, I have to improve my eyesight a little bit. I have to make my eyes stronger, like my eye muscles stronger. ऐसे बोलना होगा हमको उनको, ठीक है? जो भी अपन बोल रहे हैं, if I have a toothache, I have to say, my teeth has a little, उसमें इंप्रूव करना होगा. आई हैव टू ब्रश मोर, समथिंग लाइक दैट. कुछ हमको कंप्लेन नहीं करना है किसी के बारे में भी, ठीक है? एंड देन इट इज सेइंग ग्रैटिट्यूड इज अ वैक्सीन.
We'll say that I have to brush thrice a day.
Yes, we can say, we have to say. Thank you, Viraj. You are like wonderful giving us ideas. Thank you so much. So thank you. It is like genuinely, वरना मेरे को भी नहीं आ रहा था मैं और क्या बोलते टूथ के लिए. Thank you. So
Thank you,
gratitude.
Viraj.
Yes. So gratitude is a vaccine, an antitoxin and an antiseptic. तो माने एक ही है ये चीज ग्रैटिट्यूड जो हमारे को हमारी हेल्थ को एकदम परफेक्ट कर सकती है. हमको कुछ और चीज की जरूरत नहीं है. दिस इज व्हाट Rhonda Byrne is telling us. And who is telling this? Presbyterian preacher and writer. He's like a Catholic person who teaches and preaches, and he's a writer also. So he is telling us, and our eyesight can improve, us all our senses and the functions in the entire body will start improving if we are grateful for our health. Yeah. Yes.
The degree that you are grateful for your health is exact degree that your health will magically increase. And the degree that you are not grateful is the exact degree that your health will decrease. Living with a decreased amount of health means your energy, immune
Vitality.
system, clarity or thought, and every other function of your body and mind is weakened.
Yeah. So if we are not grateful, then what will happen? Our health will start deteriorating. It will start becoming, not so energetic. थोड़ा सा लो हो जाएगी हमारी हेल्थ. ठीक है. और वो क्या हो रहा है, जितना ज्यादा अपन ग्रेटिट्यूड देंगे उतनी जल्दी हमारी हेल्थ होगी अच्छी और माने कंटिन्यूअस रहेगी वो. और अगर अपन कंप्लेन करेंगे और जितनी डिग्री में कंप्लेन करेंगे, माने कैसे, मेरे सर में आज भयंकर दर्द है, मेरे पेट में ना बहुत जोर से दर्द हो रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है किसी ने मुक्के मार दिए ना. लेकिन दिस इज अ डिग्री. एक आपने कहा नॉर्मली थोड़ा सा दर्द है, हल्का सा डिस्कम्फर्ट है, दिस इज 1 डिग्री. तो जितना डिग्री में अपन कंप्लेन करेंगे उतनी हेल्थ हमारी खराब होगी. और जितना डिग्री में अपन अप्रिशिएट करेंगे ना, वाओ आई हैव लवली हेयर, इफ आई से लाइक दिस, माय हेयर इज हेल्थ विल इंप्रूव, वाओ माय डाइजेशन इज सुपर स्ट्रांग. हम कुछ भी खा लेते हैं ना, एकदम परफेक्ट हो जाता है मेरे सिस्टम में, कुछ एकदम सब कुछ ठीक ठाक रहता है. सो दिस इज अगेन द डिग्री, है ना. डिग्री भी पढ़ा होगा अपन ने स्कूल में, या देयर आर डिफरेंट डिग्रीज, गुड, बेटर, बेस्ट, राइट. ठीक वैसे ही अगर हम लोग अच्छे से अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, जिस डिग्री में अप्रिशिएट करें उतनी हेल्थ हमारी अच्छी चलेगी. यस. या प्लीज कंटिन्यू. Asta, you have to unmute.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry.
No problem.
Being grateful for your health ensures that you will continue to receive more health to be grateful for. And at the same time, it eliminates stress and tension in your body and mind. Scientific research studies have shown that stress and tension are at the root of many diseases. Studies have also revealed that people who practice gratitude heal faster and are likely to live 7 years longer.
Yeah, this to everyone says ना कि स्ट्रेस नहीं करना है, चिंता नहीं करना है, खुश रहना है. हाँ, तो इसके पीछे पूरा एक साइंटिफिक रीजन है. When we are stressed, तो हमारे बॉडी में ना ऑक्सीजन सेल्स के पास थोड़ा कम पहुंचता है ना. And when we are happy, we are joyous, then the blood flows properly, the cells receive the oxygen properly, and when the cells receive the oxygen properly, our body is fitter and healthier. Okay, so this is what the science has revealed. And हमारी लाइफ स्पैन बढ़ जाता है, 7 years लाइफ स्पैन ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है if we are grateful for our body. Yes, you can.
You can see in the state of your health right now how grateful you have been. You should feel amazing every day. If you feel heavy and life feels like a real effort to get through, or if you don't feel younger than your age, then you are living with decreased health. One of the major causes of their loss of vitally is a lack of gratitude. All of that is about to change, though, because you are going to use gratitude's magical power for the health for your body.
Yeah, तो हम लोग को हर दिन एनर्जेटिक, हैप्पी, हम लोग, आई एम श्योर हम लोग जो भी यहाँ पे हैं सब लोग सुबह उठ के सुपर एनर्जेटिक एंड हैप्पी फील करते होंगे. मम्मा लोग को ही लगता होगा कि ये लोग कब सोए, राइट. मम्मा बोलती है अब सोने का टाइम है, जल्दी सो जाओ. हाँ, बिकॉज दे डोंट वांट अस टू बी सो एनर्जेटिक, राइट. उनको लगता है कि जितना एनर्जेटिक रहेंगे उतना मम्मा लोग को परेशान करेंगे. बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट ऑल ऑफ अस ओवर हियर, आई एम श्योर, गेट अप फ्रेश, एनर्जेटिक, एंड ऐसा ही लाइफ हमारे और ऐसी ही हेल्थ हमारी रहनी चाहिए. ठीक है. तो ग्रैटिट्यूड विल मेक श्योर दैट वी कंटिन्यू विद दिस काइंड ऑफ एन एनर्जी. ओके. Yeah, please continue.
The magical health practice begins by reading through the following paragraphs about the health of your body. After you read each
italicized line
for a particular part of your body, Close your eyes and mentally repeat the italicized line, feeling as grateful as you can for the part of your body. Remember that when you think about why you are grateful, it will help you to feel gratitude and deeply, and the deeper
You feel it.
you feel it, the faster you can feel and see the amazing results in your body.
Yeah. So now, Asta, I will start over. I will read and I want all of you to switch on your cameras. Okay. And please switch on your cameras. Yes. And I will say something. You have to keep your eyes closed. I will say something and you will imagine whatever I'm saying. Okay. So you can do that. I'll not ask you to close your eyes and run. Don't worry. Okay. I'll not ask you to do that. Okay. So you just have to sit in your place, close your eyes and just visualize or just see.
My mom does this when I can't sleep.
Acha. Okay. Okay. So suppose if I say close your eyes and think of popcorn, you can do that, right? It is easy. Yeah. So I will just tell you things like this. I will not tell you to imagine anything, which you don't like. Okay. So please switch on your cameras and close your eyes. Yeah. Everyone is ready? Yes. So take a deep breath in and a long breath out. A deep breath in and a long breath out. One more time. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Imagine you are running on the beach, barefoot. Can you feel the sand under your feet? The waves touching your feet? Can you hear the birds or the sound of the waves? Now imagine walking on the grass. The soft grass tickling your skin. Can you feel the moistness of the grass? Now you're running to your mom. Your feet are moving fast and you're running to hug your mom or your dad. Or are you running in your school ground playing catch with your friends? Or are you swimming in the water? Or if you don't know how to swim, you're just playing in the water in the pool. You go to the toilet with your feet. You dance. You're playing games. Is it tennis? Is it cricket? Is it basketball? Or are you sitting on the swing? Or are you going to the toilet? How are you doing all these things? Thank you for my legs and feet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now your arms and hands and your fingers. How do you lift your phone? How do you pick up your cricket bat, tennis bat, your guitar, your pet, your toys? How do you dress up? How do you switch on your laptop? How do you have your food? Thank you for my arms, my hands and fingers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. When you were running on the beach, could you smell something? When you were running on the grass, did you smell flowers? Do you smell the smell of samosa or the dosha, the pizza, the chocolate cake, custard, the hot popcorn in the movie theaters? Or do you like the smell of Maggi? Can you feel the taste of the pani puri on your tongue? Or the chocolate cake, candy floss, dairy milk? Or your favorite Chlormint? Is it Chlormint? Or is it a chocolate? Which is your favorite sweet? Or do you like the mangoes? Can you smell the mango? Can you feel the taste of it on your mouth? Thank you for my amazing sense of taste. You just smell the mango. What else do you smell? What else do you like? A rose? The smell of your mom's perfume? Your friend's shampoo? Or your shampoo? What do you like? The smell of the water falling in the rains? The smell of the ground? Which is your favorite smell? Or still the popcorn? Thank you for my wonderful sense of smell. Can you feel the softness of your toy? Your soft toy? Your blanket? Your pet? Your hair? Your mama's sari? Thank you, thank you, thank you for my precious sense of touch. Remember the hug you get from your mom or your dad? Now think about the miracle of eyes. How will you read? How will you look at your mom? How will you dress up? How will you see the flowers, your pet? How will you play? Your eyes help you do each and everything in your life, right from the moment you get up in the morning to the time you go off to sleep. They help you touch, feel, do each and everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my eyes that enable me to see everything. Now think about your ears. Is your mom calling you? Is your dad calling you, or is it your friend? Is it your pet? What do you like to hear the most? Your voice? Your favorite song? The bells in the temple? Or your favorite singer? Or your favorite actor? Or your sibling calling you? You like to listen to the radio? Or when you watch your series, what do you like to listen? The bird chirping? How will you listen to any of the sounds without your ears? So thank you for my hearing. Thank you, thank you, thank you, my wonderful, precious ears. What about my mind? Will I be able to do anything without my brain? My studies? Will I be able to understand anything? I will not be able to understand good or bad without my brain. Thank you for my brain, my beautiful, wonderful brain, who helps me understand everything. How to play, how to dance, how to study, how to interact, everything. My wonderful, beautiful brain. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What about the millions of cells in my body? My body is made up of cells. The cells make my organs, my systems. All my body parts are made of these cells. And these cells are continuously working all the time. They're processing the food that I eat, the water that I drink, whatever I'm reading, whatever I'm listening. They process each and everything. Thank you, my organs, for working perfectly. What about my heart? It has been beating all the time. Remember, when you run fast, your heart beats so fast. When you get scared, your heart beats so fast. When you see your mom or your best friend, it starts beating fast. It keeps pumping blood to all the body organs all the time. Even when you're sleeping, it is beating continuously. Thank you for my strong and healthy heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now take a deep breath in and a long breath out. One more time, take a deep breath in and a long breath out. One last time, take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Now gently and slowly open your eyes. Okay. So how is everyone feeling?
At one
Really
time, I was
refreshed and
about to
good.
sleep.
Raj, you are
Same
also
as me. Same as me.
same as you. Okay, very good. So, but tell me, did you think of your body parts, your organs like this before? This is all.
On the beach, I smelled the coconut,
Hmm.
and at grass, I smelled the rose or the marigold, yellow. And
Yes. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. So
I saw
today,
I was
I
sleeping
smell
on
them
the
every single day in my
grass.
garden.
grass. Okay. Okay.
I used to go to the garden now. I used to sleep on the grass.
Oh,
When my sisters and all they say now come to the swing, I said no. I want to sleep in the grass.
okay. Very nice. Very cute. Very nice. So today's practice is all about being grateful for your body, about your body parts and everything. We don't even think about our heart, do we? But it is pumping blood all the time. Yeah, we don't think about our brain. Of course we should be, हम लोग पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, है ना? और सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं, वो सब चीजों में तो हमको हेल्प करता है ना. We have studied in school ना कि it helps us process everything and anything around us. Yeah. So we'll continue with the reading, Asta. There's just a little bit of it left. So we will understand what we have to do. Okay. So please
Yes,
start from
ma'am.
here. Next.
Next, take a piece of paper or a card and write on it in big
Bold
bold
letters.
letters.
Yeah.
Sorry, the gift of health keeping me alive.
Yeah.
Take the card with you today and put it in place where you know you will see it often. If
Ma'am, I've
you
written
work
the slogan on my fridge. I
Okay.
see it every single day.
Okay, very nice. Thank you. But some of us are new here, so let us continue and understand what is to be done. Okay. Thank you, Viraj. Yeah.
If you work at a desk, you can put it right in front of you. If you're a driver, put it in place of your car or truck where you will see it often. If you're at home, most of the time you can put it where you wash your hands or near your phone. Choose a place where you know you will see the words you have written
Yeah.
often.
Yeah. So हमको क्या करना है? We have to take a small paper, okay, or a card. And like you can take a small paper or a card and write this. What do you have to write? The gift of health is keeping me alive. We have to write it in exactly this manner. ठीक है, बोल्ड कैपिटल में लिखना है और ऐसे लिखना है, और क्या करना है, उसको ऐसे जगह चिपका देना है जहां पे वो हमको दिखता रहे. ठीक है, बस इतना सही करना है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ब्लेसिंग्स इन द मॉर्निंग, इसको हमको एक जगह चिपका के लिख लेना. इट कुड बी ऑन योर स्टडी टेबल, इट कैन बी एट योर वार्डरोब, इट कैन बी इन योर ऑन योर बाथरूम मिरर, एनीवेयर जहां पे ये हमको दिन में कई बार दिखाई पड़े. ठीक है, और अब क्या करना है? वी विल रीड. या आस्था, प्लीज कंटिन्यू. टुडे
Today, on at least 4 separate occasions,
सॉरी,
very
सॉरी
of your
when you
senses. When you see the words, read them very slowly, one word at a time, and feel as grateful as you can for the gift of health.
या तो उसको जब हमको देखना है, जब हम उसको देखें, उसको रीड करना है मन में या जोर से. बट इट शुड नॉट बी कि ना जैसे स्कूल में हम लोग जल्दी जल्दी रीडिंग कर देते हैं, वैसे नहीं. वी हैव टू फील इट कि द गिफ्ट ऑफ हेल्थ इज कीपिंग मी अलाइव. ओके, अगर आप गेम्स खेलते हो या पढ़ाई भी करते हो, आप नॉर्मल, हम लोग खुद तो हेल्दी रहना चाहते हैं ना. वी हैव टू ग्रो टॉलर, वी हैव टू बिकम स्ट्रॉन्गर. उन सब चीज के लिए हम लोग आज से अपने हेल्थ को ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हैं. अगर हमको नहीं भी टॉलर एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर होना है, फिर भी हमको कंटिन्यूसली हेल्दी रहना है ना, फिट एंड फाइन रहना है, तो उसके लिए हम लोग को ये पढ़ना है उसको. ओके, सो आस्था, आई जस्ट म्यूट एवरीवन. यू yes, yes, please continue. Being grateful.
Being grateful for your health is essential to keep your health, but also to guarantee that it continues to get better with increasing energy and zest for life. If gratitude were used in conjunction with conventional medical treatments,
Yeah.
we would see a health revolution and recovery rates and miracles like we have never seen before.
Yeah. So what Rhonda Byrne is telling us that suppose if we are taking some medicine, some vitamins, some supplements, या कुछ अगर बुखार होता है तो हम लोग थोड़ी सी तो मेडिसिन खाते ही हैं, जुकाम भी होता है तो अगर कुछ जो भी खा रहे हैं उसके संग अगर अपन ग्रैटिट्यूड भी ऐड कर लें, क्या कैसे ऐड करेंगे ग्रैटिट्यूड? दैट वी आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई बॉडी, वी आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई आईज, वी आर ग्रेटफुल फॉर आवर ईयर्स, नोज, नेक, हैंड्स, मसल्स, बोन्स, हर चीज के लिए अगर अपन ग्रेटफुल होंगे तो हमारी वो मेडिसिन भी ज्यादा हेल्प हमको हेल्प करेगी और हमारी हेल्थ इंप्रूव होगी। ठीक है, तो अगर अब जिसके भी कुछ एक ब्रेकडाउन होता है, माने रनी नोज है, जुकाम है, टमी अपसेट है, या कुछ भी है, कहीं दर्द है, चोट लग गई है, तब हमको क्या करना है? सीधे हेल्थ के लिए ग्रेटफुल होना स्टार्ट कर देना है। ठीक है। एंड अच्छा, सब जन थैंक यू बोल रहे हैं ना दिन में कई बार? या यस, ओके, वेरी गुड। तो ये तो
Yes.
सब में करना ही है, वी हैव टू कीप ऑन सेइंग। किसी स्टाफ ने कुछ दिया हमको, पेरेंट्स ने दिया तो बोलना ही बोलना है, वो तो सिबलिंग्स ने दिया तो बोलना ही बोलना है, हर जन को बोलना है। फ्रेंड ने कुछ किया, आपके गार्ड ने कुछ किया, आपके ड्राइवर ने कुछ किया, सबको पूरा टाइम थैंक यू बोलना है। ठीक है। एंड कल ये प्रैक्टिस करनी है, एक पेपर पे हमको ये लिख लेना है और ऐसे जगह चिपका लेना है जहाँ पे हमको कई बार दिखाई दे, दिन में एटलीस्ट 4 बार हम लोग को उसको पढ़ना है और उसको मीन करना है। It's like yes, I'm so grateful that I can run around, I'm so grateful that I can sit, I can stand, I can climb stairs, I can dance, I can work out। जो आप करते हो वो सब चीज के लिए I'm so grateful। ठीक है। yes, आस्था प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
Magic practice number 4. Magical health. First, repeat steps 1 to 3 of magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel gratitude for each one. Second, on a piece of paper or a card, write these words: the gift of health is keeping me alive. Third, place the piece of paper with your written words where you know you will see it often today. On at least 4 occasions, read the words
Sorry.
very slowly and feel as grateful as you can for the precious gift of health. Fifth, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand, and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened today during the day.
Yeah, so thank you Astha for reading so nicely for all of us. Yes, so what we have to do is we have to take a small paper.
And ma'am, thank you to you for explaining us.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So what we have to do now, see, this is a
Thank you, Didi. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, you are saying thank you, Didi. Yeah.
Thank you.
Acha, let me explain. Then we'll again do thank you. Okay. Yes. Let's understand the task properly. क्या करना है? एक पेपर लेना है, उस पे लिखना है द गिफ्ट ऑफ हेल्थ इज कीपिंग मी अलाइव। हम जैसे ग्रुप में शेयर करते हैं ना, वो शेयर कर देंगे, आप लोग उसमें से देख के कॉपी कर लेना और उसको कहीं पे भी चिपका लेना। ठीक है। एंड ये सिर्फ कल के लिए है, अब आज जहाँ पे आपने उसको फिक्स किया है वो हमेशा के लिए वहां फिक्स हो जाएगा। सो इट कुड बी अबव योर स्टडी टेबल, ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर वार्डरोब, नॉट इनसाइड द वार्डरोब। ठीक है। रूम में आप डोर के पीछे लिख सकते हो उसको।
I wrote it like this on my fridge.
ओके, वेरी गुड। बट थोड़ा छोटा लग रहा है विराज, नहीं क्या? थोड़ा सा और दूर से भी दिखना चाहिए।
I am using my phone, that's why, and I am just showing it from.
Okay, okay. So everyone else has to write it and show and send it in the group. ठीक है, ताकि हमको पता चले सही लिखा है नहीं लिखा है। कुछ अपने मन से उसमें कुछ भी नहीं ऐड करना है। ठीक है। इट इज लाइक अ मंत्रा। ठीक है, सबको मंत्र पता है ना कैसा होता है भगवान जी का, राइट? तो उसको वैसे ही, अब सपोज विराज को हम कुछ और नाम से बुलाने लगे तो यू विल नॉट आंसर ना। खुशी को कुछ, खुशी की जगह कुछ और बोलने लगे, यू विल नॉट आंसर, राइट? तो हमको डिट्टो वैसे ही लिखना है जैसे हमको बुक में बोला गया है। ओके, सो वी हैव टू राइट इट, paste it somewhere, या fix it somewhere, post it somewhere, whatever you do, and we have to read it 4 times at least. बुक 4 बार बोल रही है, आप 6 बार भी पढ़ सकते हो, 8 बार भी पढ़ सकते हो, उससे हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी होगी। एंड व्हेन यू आर रीडिंग इट यू शुड बी फीलिंग मोर ग्रैटिट्यूड। उन्होंने कहा ना, जितना डिग्री में ग्रैटिट्यूड करेंगे उतना डिग्री में हमारी हेल्थ अच्छी होगी। ठीक है। सो इज दैट क्लियर? एवरीवन नोज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? या अच्छा, सेकंड, या सो सेकंड आई हैव वन क्वेश्चन। अब अगर अभी लॉकडाउन के वजह या किसी वजह से यू आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड योर मैजिक रॉक, ठीक है, तब आपको क्या करना है? जो भी अभी मिला है आप उसको ले लो। ठीक है, start the practice with that. If it's a marble, if it's a pebble, छोटा सा है, आप लेके उसको start कर लो. And I'm sure by the end of this, within this session, you will definitely get your magic rock. Maybe someone will gift it to you. You will definitely get it. Okay. So any other query or
Can I
sharing?
share something?
Yes, Viraj.
25 days earlier, I was suffering from COVID, and my Chacha Chachi had already read this book, and I was quarantined with them. So, before knowing about this class, we were saying thank you, God, for the gift of health, which is keeping me alive, and Bhaktamar Strota Jain Mantra. And I think we developed our body and got strength and courageous by doing that only.
Yes, very good. Yeah. I'm happy, Viraj, that you're all fit and fine and your family is also healthy. And this is actually a very, very good, effective practice. Okay. Abhi you guys are a little, small in the sense like हम मेरे से तो छोटे ही हो ना आप लोग सब लोग. तो हमने देखा है कि जब मेरे को कुछ इशू होती है, कुछ भी हो ही जाता है ना, कभी काम का स्ट्रेस हुआ, कुछ हेडेक हो गया, या कुछ हमने खा लिया ज्यादा तो भी कभी टमी एक हो गया, कहीं चोट लग गई, वो सब इसको करने से एकदम फटाफट ठीक हो जाता है. ठीक है. और अब हम लोग आगे आगे सीखते जाएंगे कैसे ही इसको इम्प्रूव करना है. तो आज हम लोग फिर से उन्हीं चीजों के लिए थैंकफुल हो रहे हैं जो हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है ना. वी ऑल हैव दिस बॉडी since childhood, since the day we were born. तो आज हम लोग इस बॉडी के लिए थैंकफुल हो रहे हैं. Okay, so let's any other question or sharing about the practice that you did in the morning today? Blessings लिख रहे हो आप, तो कैसा लग रहा है? Are you writing new things every day or are you continuing with the same ones? How is it? अच्छा, कई जन बोले कि नहीं सुबह उठ के हमसे ब्लेसिंग्स नहीं लिखी जाती हैं. ठीक है, तो आपसे जब लिखी जाती है, सी बुक इज टेलिंग अस कि जितना जल्दी करेंगे, राइट. जैसे सुबह उठते ही ब्रश करते हैं ना हम लोग, कि नहीं करते हैं, राइट. तो वो फीलिंग कैसी होती है? और आपने एक बार दिन में ब्रश किया, सुबह उठ के किया ही नहीं, यू डू इट आफ्टर लंच, हाउ विल यू फील? विल यू लाइक इट? No.
We'll think that we are not following our hygiene.
Yes. So what will happen is if we are writing our blessings first thing in the morning, तो सबसे अच्छा फायदा तभी होता है. ठीक है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप करो ही मत. जब याद आए, जब मन करे, अभी शुरू में आप कभी भी कर सकते, बट इट शुड नॉट बी कि करा ही नहीं है. ठीक है, द सूनर यू डू इट, द सूनर यू ब्रश योर टीथ, द फ्रेशर यू फील द होल डे, है ना, राइट. तो वैसे ही
after the class ends, I always sit with my bed light lamp, and I just do it when everyone is sleeping.
Okay, very good. I think you are the most ideal student of the class. Yes, Viraj, very nice. Thank you. And I'm sure others are getting inspired कि करना है. हाँ, देखो विराज जब क्वारंटाइन होके ठीक हो गया, एकदम फिट है उसकी फैमिली, तो हम लोग ये छोटे छोटे प्रैक्टिसेस करेंगे ना, हम लोग की लाइफ बहुत अमेजिंग होने वाली है. इट विल बिकम रियली मैजिकल. Okay, so do your magic rock practice tonight. Start with your blessings tomorrow. अगर आपको लगता है कि आज जो प्रैक्टिस की ना कि 3 जन की फोटो ली और भी 2-3 जन बाकी रह गए, तो you can do that practice again tomorrow. Okay? Yes. So let's join our hands, close our eyes, and pay. Any question or clarification to anyone? No? Okay. ठीक है. So let's join our hands and close our eyes and pay gratitude to the Supreme Power. Thank you to the great Almighty, the Supreme Power, who has brought us this gift of health, who has given us the blessing and given us this wonderful, fit and able, healthy body and mind. Thank you for keeping my family and my loved ones healthy. Thank you. Okay.
I had a question.
Yes, Viraj.
When did you started reading this book?
I started reading this book last year in August. Yeah. And since then I have done, I think, 4 sessions. Yeah. And I have continuously in practice, continuous in the sense like I finish the book, then again I start another session. It's like when this session started with all of you, the previous day I had finished a session with a different group. That was not for youngsters, that was for elder people in the sense like adults. Okay,
Ma'am, you are right now also taking a session. You are after this class, I think 15 or 20 minutes after you are taking another session. My parents attend that.
Oh, okay.
My parents, Vivan's father and mother, my Chacha Chachi, and our Nana Nani also, Chaya Lohade and all.
Oh, okay. So cute. Thank you. But that is a different book. That is not magic. That is power book.
Auntie Power.
Yes.
Yes, my mama, I have seen in my mama's phone WhatsApp, it is written practicing with power like that.
Yes.
I was saying to my mama, what's that new group, mom?
Okay, so let's complete this book first. Okay, we need to do a couple of sessions for this. We need to do that.
How
So
did you understand it on your own? Did anyone explain to you? Because we can't.
See, विराज, हम तो थोड़े से तो बड़े हैं ना तुमसे, है ना? तो जब हमने फर्स्ट टाइम अपने आप पढ़ी थी, मेरे को थोड़ी थोड़ी समझ में आ गई थी. फर्स्ट टाइम आई डिड इट ऑन माय ओन. ये जो प्रैक्टिस थे उसके, ये हमने सारे खुद ही किए थे. सी, फिर उसके बाद जब हमने किसी के संग की, मेरी फ्रेंड ने स्टार्ट की थी, उसके संग की, तो मेरे को और अच्छे से समझ में आया. देन आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग विद आशमीन मैम, मिसेस आशमीन मुंजाल. शी इज अमेजिंग. वो बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करती हैं एंड आई रियली लव हर. अभी भी हम उनका एक सेशन कर रहे हैं. सो आई डू दैट इन द मॉर्निंग and I've been doing this on and off that way. And plus your questions, when you ask questions, when you do sharings, उससे भी बराबर सीखने को मिलता है. ठीक है? Like you only told me 3-4 बार ब्रश करेंगे तो दांत सही रहेंगे, that way. Or how we are speaking, how we are thinking. So all of you are teaching everyone. ऐसे ही होता है. एक क्वेश्चन से दूसरे की थोड़ी बत्ती जलती है ना दिमाग की, है ना? थोड़ा अपन और सोचने लगते हैं, वैसे ही. Okay? So do the practice and do your magic rock before you go off to sleep. Okay? So see you
Most
tomorrow.
of the times in classes, like in maths class, if a person has a stupid query or an easy question which he can't understand, they feel shy about asking that to the teacher. But the teacher always says that no matter what the question is, you should always ask your query.
Yes, very true. And we will start speaking positive words only. No one will say stupid, silly. ठीक है? ये सब कोई नहीं बोलेगा. सब लोग को पॉजिटिव वर्ड्स ही बोलना है. ठीक है? सिंपल क्वेश्चन हो सकता है, सिंपल क्वेरी हो सकती है, नॉट स्टूपिड. ठीक है? ये हम लोग को एक ट्राई करना है लाइफ में अपने चेंज लाने का, कि जो अपन बोल रहे हैं दैट इज वेरी पावरफुल. वी सॉ इन द सीक्रेट मूवी ना, कि अपन जो बोलते हैं यूनिवर्स हमको वही देती है. ठीक है? तो अगर हम बोल रहे हैं स्टूपिड क्वेश्चन, मतलब हमको लोग कई जन बोल सकते हैं कि मेरा क्वेश्चन भी स्टूपिड है. ओके? सो ऑल ऑफ अस, आई हैव आल्सो स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर. पहले हम भी ऐसे ही बोलते थे कि भयंकर दर्द हो रहा है, महा का बुद्धू है, अपने लिए बोल देते थे कितने बार. एकदम हम सिली मिस्टेक करके आए ना. ऐसे नहीं बोलना है. हम लोग सब हमेशा, सी, यू गाइज आर वेरी लकी and you are blessed that you are getting to read this book at this age. ये हमने अगर छोटे में पढ़ी होती तो मेरी कितनी सारी ड्रीम्स पूरी हो गई होती. अभी भी हो रही हैं. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि अभी नहीं हुई है, लेकिन थोड़ा टाइम लगा होने में. अब अभी से जब हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं ये बुक, तो हमारी ड्रीम्स और जल्दी सच होने लगेंगी. ठीक है? सबने ड्रीम लिस्ट बना ली है ना? Because next week we are going to, yes, how we are going to achieve our dreams. Okay? So okay guys, since you guys have mentioned, मेरा एक सेशन है at 9:30. ठीक है? So good night.
I made the list. That the
gift of health. ऐसे दिखाने से नहीं होगा अर्चित. You have to post it in the group. ठीक है? Tomorrow I want to see everyone's note and it has to be posted. And when I am sending reminders कि दिन में 4 बार उसको देखना है, तो you have to see it. Okay? It should
My
not
mom
be.
is ready with the laptop and the book to attend your class.
Okay. So you made it, post it.
I made 4.
You made 4. अच्छा 4 नहीं, एक ही है बनाने को. ठीक है? एक ही बनाना है. एक ही बनाना है. Okay everyone, you have to make just one note. एक नोट बना के रखना है और उसी को देखना है. अदरवाइज रोंडा बन बोलती ना कि घर में सब जगह चिपका लो. नहीं, एक ही नोट बनाना है एंड यू हैव टू राइट इट. इट शुड नॉट बी अ प्रिंट आउट. इट शुड नॉट बी किसी पापा ने लिख दिया कि मम्मी ने लिख दिया. नहीं, you have to write it. It has to be your writing, your feelings. Okay? Yes. Okay then. Good night everyone. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night. Yes. Bye bye. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.